In this video, we're going to learn all about vehicles in English. Are you excited? Let's go.
Can you guess what it is? It has 2 wheels and a bell that goes ring ring. Yes, it's a bicycle. 2 wheels and goes fast with a loud vroom sound. A motorcycle. This one is smaller than a motorbike and great for city rides. A scooter. It has 4 wheels, and your family might ride in one every day. Of course, it's a car. It's yellow in some cities and picks people up when they raise their hand. Did you say taxi? That's right. It goes nee-naw, nee-naw and helps people who are hurt. That's the sound of an ambulance. Flashing lights and sirens, who comes to keep us safe? It's a police car. It's big, yellow, and picks up kids in the morning. Yup, it's a school bus. This vehicle is bigger than a car, and guess what? It can carry your whole family, even grandma and the dog. What is it? It's a van. It's big, really big. Sometimes it's yellow. Sometimes it's red. What do you think it is? It's a bus. This one has a big open space in the back to carry things. Say it loud. Pickup truck. This one only has 1 wheel. Just one. Can you imagine riding it at the circus? That's a unicycle. This one is super fun. You stand on it and push with your foot to roll forward. What's it called? A kick scooter. It looks like a scooter, but it moves on its own. An electric scooter. It brings packages right to our door, rings the bell, then leaves with a beep. A delivery truck. It comes when you're still sleeping, empties your bins, and makes lots of noise. What is it? A garbage truck. It's small, 3-wheeled, and you often see it zipping through busy streets. What is that? Auto rickshaw. This one has big wheels and carries boxes everywhere. What is it? A truck. A powerful tractor pulls a long box on wheels, hauling tons of cargo. Any guesses? A semi-trailer truck. It has a big metal blade in front and pushes dirt like a boss. Bulldozer. It spins round and round, mixing something sticky and gray. What's it called? A cement mixer. It's super tall and lifts heavy things way up high. Crane truck. It lifts big boxes up and down with 2 strong metal arms. Can you name it? It's a forklift. It works on farms, has big tires, and pulls heavy loads. What is it? A tractor. It carries dirt and rocks, then tips back and dumps them out. What is it? A dump truck. It has a long arm and scoops deep into the ground. That's an excavator. It uses a big bucket to pick up dirt. What is it? A loader. It has a bucket in front and a digging arm in the back. A 2-in-1 machine. A backhoe. It floats on water, small and fast. Great for fun rides. What is it? Yes, a boat. It carries people and even cars across rivers or seas. What's it called? A ferry. This one goes deep underwater, so deep you can't see it. It has windows and sonar. What is it? A submarine. Big and strong, it sails across oceans and carries lots of things. Can you guess? A ship. This huge ship carries oil from place to place over the sea. An oil tanker. The wind makes this boat go. No engine needed. A sailboat. You hold 2 oars and row it with your arms. Nice and quiet on a lake. What is it? A rowboat. This boat is long and skinny. You sit and paddle it on a quiet river. What is it? A canoe. It looks like a canoe but has a covered top for one person to paddle fast. A kayak. Fancy and shiny, this boat is for relaxing or parties. Rich people ride on it. What is it? A yacht. It has wings, flies high, and takes you across the world. What is it? An aeroplane. It flies straight up and down with spinning blades on top. What's that sound? A helicopter. This one goes super fast, faster than a regular plane. A jet. It floats slowly in the sky with a big colorful balloon. A hot air balloon. This vehicle goes way above the clouds, all the way to space. What do astronauts ride? A space shuttle. It shoots up super fast with fire and smoke, heading to space. What is it? A rocket. It opens like a big umbrella in the sky to help people land safely. What is it? A parachute.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you'll love what's coming up next. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. Bye-bye.